Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share this product with you and this project because I don't know if you're like me, I love to do crafty things besides card making and stamping and scrapbooking and things like that. I love to do other crafts. And this is one of those that I thought, you know what, I could bring this to you. This is by Craft Fantastic. They usually sell at all the conventions and I've become really good friends with them. And I thought, you know what? Some of you can't go to the conventions, and so I thought I was going to buy some and sell them to you pretty much at my cost, and I just want you to have fun with them. So I bundled these in a special bundle. You can't buy these on their website. And what am I talking about? I don't know. Let me show you. They are make your own keychains. So we have this one. This is using dies. Now we've done this a couple different ways and we've tried to figure out the best way to do this. It comes in a pack of 2. The pieces look like this. This is what it's going to come all in pieces, but you're going to put it together like this. And then you are going to decide what you put on the inside. I'm going to show you, don't worry. I'm going to show you more. But here's an example. Dies work really well, as do photos and pattern paper. We do not recommend, just so you know, we do not recommend using the inks because they kind of smear a little and they kind of get a little blurry. So we don't recommend that. We do recommend our pattern papers, photos, and anything like a magazine or anything like that would be fantastic. Now, I am working on one right now. I just did this cute little one and I'm actually going to stop. I'm not going to show you that one yet because I want to show you from the beginning. Also, so we have a few of those, and oh, just a heads up, these are limited. If you go look at the price, you're gonna say, oh my gosh, I get 2 keychains for that price. You're gonna go, no way, right? I'm just doing this for fun. I just want you to see something different. I like to make crafts for people for Christmas, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity if you like to do that as well, just to put a cute little thing together. Imagine how fun that would be. So, I also have very, very limited. The keychains are limited, and again, once they're gone forever. You can go to Craft Fantastic and buy whatever you want. But these are just limited. I put them in special little kits. But look at this. It is a bracelet. It's a dangle bracelet, and it comes with, I took this one apart a little bit. It comes with this little ball that goes on the end. You unscrew the little ball, and then what you're gonna, and it gets, look, you can like, it's bendable, so you can get it on the bigger wrist. My mom has a really big wrist. It'll go on hers fine. And what I'm gonna do is, it comes with 3 little. So this is the size of the keychain, and this is the size of the little tiny charm. And I wanna estimate this is ½ an inch. And what I'm gonna do is, it comes with 3 little charms. So I'm gonna do 1, and it's just a little dangle bracelet. 2, and I'm gonna show you how to do this in just a minute. 3. And then I'm going to close this up and I'm going to put the little ball on the end. And I'm actually saving my kit. I'm not going to do this one for you because I'm saving mine. I'm going to do the boys, my twins, when my twin grandsons are born, I'm going to do their pictures and then I'm going to do a heart in the inside. And I thought that would be really pretty. And so look, it's a bracelet that you get to wear. Isn't that cute? Now these are extremely limited. I don't have enough for half of you. I don't even have, just some of you close your eyes because I don't want you to see it because this is very limited. But that's the cute little dangle bracelet and then the keychain. So how do you make it? Let me show you. You're gonna fall over when you see how easy this is. That's kind of why I decided to bring it to you because it's so dang easy and it's so fun. I'm gonna use a piece of scratch paper and actually let's cut that down so we don't see all my notes. Okay, what we're gonna do is first we have to find a piece of paper or a photo. I highly recommend you doing photos. And I just found, I was going through my pattern paper and I found this and I'm gonna clean it really quick. And what I'm going to do is you'll notice that it kind of makes it larger. So, you know, because it's like under a magnifying glass. So that's the original size. This is the size on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of these. Oh, I think I'm going to do that little guy there. And you're going to trim it down just a little bit. You don't want to trim it down too much. You can just trim it down just like that. That's good. Just leave it like that. And this is the kind of like the secret weapon. It's the glue. Now, this glue is awesome, and you can use it. It says add glitter or beads to fill one of these trays. You can create, and this is what you're going to want this for, dimensional things. So if you want to make little icicles or little dots or anything like that, this is perfect. You're going to use this with paper and glass, never yellows, and they call it glaze and glue. But it's fantastic because Once you're done with these projects, you're going to use it for your paper crafting products, okay? And I think I don't remember if I opened this one or not. Let me check. And let's see, I can't tell if it's open or not. So let's get a little pokey tool, and if we can find a little pokey tool. Quickly. Here's one. So let's poke this little hole. Ooh. Okay, there we go. I think I used mine before. Okay, so let's try that. So what we're gonna do is we are going to add, and you really can't do this wrong. I mean, you really can't, but I'm just gonna add like 3 little dots right there. 4, just to make sure. Because I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna lay it over the doggy I wanna do, and I'm gonna swirl. See how I did that? That's gonna get rid of all your air bubbles, and it's gonna make sure there's glue everywhere. Now I'm gonna center my little guy, just like that, and I'm gonna press. And I probably added too much glue, but I'd rather add too much than not enough. And I'm gonna hold it. And I'm just gonna hold it for a little while until it kind of sets. And because I added so much glue, it's gonna take a long time. Not a long time, but it's gonna take longer than normal. But it's starting to set already. Now I'm just gonna leave it off to the side and let it dry. Once it's dry, and because I added way too much glue, but once it's dry, you're going, what's with all this paper? I'm gonna take scissors and just trim. Just take my scissors and literally trim around the circle. Don't worry if it gets a little icky. Now I'm gonna put that off to the side because it's gotta dry. Now here's a dry one, and you can see I have rough edges around here. Look, I didn't cut this very good, but it doesn't matter because you're not gonna see it. But I didn't do a very good job, but I just trimmed this around. So now it's nice and dry. See, it's nice and dry. And now what I'm gonna do is it comes with these little circles. And I'm just gonna add, I gave you 3 for each keychain, or 1 for each of the little bangle bracelets. And they're little circles, and so they're double-sided. So I'm gonna add 1 there. I'm gonna peel this one up. You probably don't even need 3, but actually I'm gonna do 1 there. And then I'm gonna get tricky, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut 1 in half, because I wanna make sure I get adhesive on all the sides. These are really nice and sticky. They're like the orange tapes, you know, so they're gonna last forever. I mean, as long. And then you're gonna peel off the backs, and then you're gonna leave the sticky behind. Now, I hope your minds are starting to think, ooh, I could do a picture of my grandchild, or, oh, I could do a picture of, you know, imagine giving a gift of a grandma's grandchild in the keychain. Also for men, this is not, the keychains are easily unisex. So now I'm just peeling off those. Are you ready for this? This is so easy. You're gonna fall over. Okay. Now I have my little keychain. I've put it together. It's just 1, 2, 3. And now I'm simply going to, look at this, drop it in there and press. That's it. That's it. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Now our design team has added some cute little ribbons to some if you want to. This is one of my favorites just because I love that little spiral die cut in there. Now, as this one's getting dry, and it's starting to dry already, I'm just gonna, again, trim around it, add those little dots, and then I have my cute little keychain. Isn't that awesome? Now again, on my cute little bangle, I'm going to easily add, you could add other charms on here too as well. But I have my 3 little ones, and I'm gonna do it the exact same way. Now, as I mentioned, these are extremely limited. In fact, I have an extra 2 kits here. I'm sending these off to Utah because we're gonna need these as well. But once they're gone forever. We're not gonna carry this normally on our website. It's limited edition. You can go to craftfantastic.com and check out their website. These are special kits that I designed for us. You do get the club discount on them, and you're gonna still use this glue over and over again for making cute little drops or any kind of little thing, little dew in water, whatever. You got it, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy that. And if you like me bringing extra little fun things to you like that, limited edition, just like, hey, try this because it's cool. We'll see. Maybe we'll have to come up with some more. I have some other ideas. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.